Hey there, this is Wake Angel 2001 coming at you with another Sentin toy unboxing. Or rather, I should say unbagging, because it's another bubble mailer. This one comes to me from someone named Jesse? Jesu? I am bad at reading people's handwriting. I think that's Jesse. I honestly can't recognize the last letter of that. Anyway, let's see what's in here. Should be a quick little one, because only one small envelope. And I decided to keep on doing these videos just so people know what I... Okay, I'm not going to do that with the knife. Just so that people know what I have to deal with. Because, like, it's easy in the abstract knowing that, to know that I sent him a thing, why is it taking so long to get to me on the thing? But now, if you guys see me unboxing every single one, then you know, like, oh yes, he has sent so many things before. He's going through so much. I understand why it's taking so long. Okay, there's a note in here. Hey, Wake Angel 2001, I'm glad again to help you out. I printed the white... Oh, this is Sacred Studios. This isn't a sent-in toy. It's a Shuckle Shell. Why do I have a Shuckle Shell? Oh, Sacred Studios, you're a silly. We made a Shuckle Shell. But that's not what this... Ah, yes. These are 3D printed parts that I needed that I couldn't make because my own 3D printer is still down. Oh, and here's Shuckle's head. You can put that on there. Probably have to glue it in place. Can I get that up closer to the camera? Yep, that's a Shuckle. And yes, this is a pair of cream shoes and a blank buck rabbit avatar head printed in 4-inch scale. This is so that I can make a Marine the Raccoon custom for the Jakks Pacific line. Let's see. May as well announce it. Raspberry Fur. Yes, this is Raspberry Fur's last figure. The base would be a Tails, but I couldn't turn Tails' head into Marine's head because Marine's head is just so darn round. So we are using a 3D printed avatar head for Marine, and cream shoes are similar enough that we're using them as substitutes. So yes, that's what this is going to be. So, yay. And I don't know why Shuckle? Of all the Pokemon that you could have 3D printed and sent to me, like, I was trying to feel what it was through the envelope, and I was thrown off because I was feeling arms and legs, limbs. Like, really? A Shuckle? Why a Shuckle? Why Shuckle? Of all the Pokemon? Like, really? Like, Shuckle, really? And oh yes, Sacred Studios, thank you very much for using white filament to print it. This will be much easier to paint. Last time that yellow filament took quite a few layers just to not look yellow anymore. Yay! So I can finally complete that which one is the left and which one is the right shoe? I don't think it matters. I'll finally be able to finish the contract with Raspberry Fur, and I don't know, I guess I'll paint this Shuckle, because, like, why do I have a Shuckle now, you know? Like, and how come there's no nub there to put the head in? I'm going to have to glue that on superficially. Really? Shuckle? Shuckle? Shuckle, really? Shuckle. I can't even, like, I can barely even comprehend Shuckle as a Pokemon. Like, what animal does that? What animal is basically worm-like, but makes a cocoon for itself and basically lives inside of the cocoon? I feel like there's something that does that. Can't be a bagworm, because they already have bagworm Pokemon. Besides, they just disguise themselves as, like, pine cones so that they can you know, metamorphosize into moths. That's what Pineco is. Fortress and Wormadam? Yeah, Wormadam. What is Shuckle? I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to working on the video for this figure that I made. It's it'll be coming up. I just finished that guy like literally a few minutes ago. I actually wanted to finish making that figure before I recorded this, and you just saw the preview. Now you're gonna be going back and pausing to see if you can get a closer look at it. Alright, so this is Wake Angel 2001 signing off.